Hi guys, I have some string of pearl stem cuttings here that I want to propagate in water. I've propagated string of pearls in water before, and what I usually do is let them root in water and then transplant them into soil later on. So let me go ahead and get started. I'm removing the bottom beads to make the bottom of the stems longer. I have this bottle that I've filled with tap water. What I'll do is place the tip of the cut ends in water, just like this, and that's it. I'll be waiting for these stem cuttings to root in water, and we'll be following up on them. In the meantime, I think this bottle looks pretty good sitting here with my other plants like this. So 10 days have passed and I have one stem with a root growing right here. If you can see it, it's pretty clear. And the root is really long and surprisingly long and touching all the way down the bottom of the bottle. The rest of the stems haven't grown anything yet, so I'll just keep waiting and watching. While waiting, here's where I have it sitting with my other plants, and it looks really good actually, just sitting here. Another full week has gone by, and aside from this one stem that's growing roots, the other stems have not really had much going on. You can clearly see it right here. And that's why it's nice to have a clear glass or a clear container to do water propagation in, so you can see clearly what's going on underneath and also what's growing. So yeah, aside from this one stem, the rest have not grown anything, but the stems are looking good and the beads are also looking good. So I'll just keep them here and keep waiting to see what happens next in the next few weeks. So it's been 2 months and 2 weeks since I last updated. I started this project sometime in November, so it was right around the holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year have all come and gone, and I finally have some time to film. So let's see how these are doing. From how it looks like I haven't had much progress with new growth except for this one stem. I'm not sure why the other stems haven't grown any roots, but so far only two stems have grown roots. You can tell that some are about to sprout here and there, so maybe if I wait longer, most of them will eventually sprout some roots. It could be also that during winter, string of pearls do not grow as fast as maybe around springtime, and that's why I'm not seeing a lot of progress here. I've done water propagation with string of pearls before, but it was around the warmer months, around spring and summer months. And since I'm not doing exact science here in a controlled environment, I won't have consistent results. Let me turn it around so you can see what's going on. If you can see right here, there's this one bead that's turned black and kind of moldy. It's a small part of the stem. What I'll do is I'll just cut it off and it should be fine. Since it's already been 3 months in total, I'll go ahead and transplant these stems into soil. I think if I wanted to, I could leave these stems here for another month or so. They seem to be doing fine in water, and I also like how they look. I'll insert a picture right here to show you how they've been sitting on my plant stand these past few weeks. I think it looks really pretty like this. But for the sake of this video, I'll go ahead and show how I would normally transplant them from water to soil. By the way, there's a new sprout here, a new baby plant that sprouted, which is kind of neat. I'm placing the stems in this tiny pot that would go in this equally tiny bird cage and filling it with cactus potting mix. I'm just trimming the roots, they're quite long. So there you go, guys. This is how it looks now, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks really cute, and this makes me smile and it makes me happy. So thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below. Thanks for stopping by and happy gardening!